Hi, I'm Paul Sherratt. So I am the founder and CEO of Gloveglu, and we are the global leader in goalkeeping glove care. Gloveglu started 15 years ago nearly. It was an idea that came to me in 2011, and a lot of goalkeeper brands talk about how to make their goalkeeper gloves grippy, and they do that really with latex innovation. And I had a light bulb moment that was, well, imagine if there was a product that you could apply or spray to your gloves to make them grippy as opposed to the technology being in the latex. Seed of an idea, we launched in 2012, and yeah, here we are today. We sell one product around the world every 150 seconds. We have distribution in 55 countries, and yeah, we continue to scale rapidly from that little seed of an idea, as I say, nearly 15 years ago. So our first product launch was 2012, and probably in the mid, I would guess, 2016, 2017, something like that, we started to scale, and we looked at the opportunity to find a partner to outsource our packing. And ReAgent did that for a period of time for us. And that worked really, really well, super efficient for us. It actually gave us a bit of breathing space to actually continue to scale. So we now have a responsibility. If we need to continue to raise the bar to maintain our category king status, and to do so, really one of the most important things is innovation. So we need to find a partner that, yes, could supply us consistently, but more importantly, would be able to work with us and scale with us and provide new formulas, new ideas, new concepts, take some ideas that we have as a business, turn them into reality, turn them into new chemicals, turn them into new products. You know, ReAgent put a massive tick in the box in all of those areas for us. You know, I come in and I walk through the doors and there are people that have been here 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So, you know, that for me tells me a lot about the business and the aspiration within the business to actually empower employees to come through the company. I think there's some pretty clear benefits in terms of working with ReAgent. First of all, relationship, super important, and we've got a relationship with the ReAgent team right through to senior management, which is really important for us. I think the second thing is flexibility. There is always the mindset within the business is, let's talk about it, and if we can help you, then we will do it with you, we will do it for you. So that's been really, really important as we've scaled, because inevitably, best laid plans, we think we're going in one direction and then something happens and something changes and we have to pivot. So therefore it's really important for us that we have a core supply partner that is able to pivot with us. The ability from ReAgent's side to react to maybe a changing forecast is really important. So i.e. we might want to pull an IBC or several IBCs forward. 9 times out of 10, actually, those IBCs are already prepped and ready. That whole element there has meant lead times have come down, commercials are way more attractive, the relationship is super strong, and yeah, we can just get new products into the market way quicker than we would have been able to do in the past. I think it's really important that as a business that you understand what your values are, and if your values are the same as ours, which are honesty and transparency and the ability to communicate at all levels across a business with the partner, then I think you're going to find ReAgent are going to be the perfect partner for you.